What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a special delivery today from Vermont SportsCar. Let's open this box up and see what's inside. Alright, so I got a special delivery today from Vermont SportsCar. They sent over this package of some brand new parts for the race car. If you don't know who Vermont SportsCar is, they are the motorsports facility behind Subaru Motorsports USA. They build all of the factory Subaru rally and rallycross cars, Travis Pastrana's Gymkhana car, and a whole bunch of other cool projects they've got going on. Recently, they started a new division called VSC Performance, where they're now manufacturing motorsport-derived parts for the aftermarket. Some of those parts are inside this box, so let's cut this box open and see what's inside. We've got some engine mounts and transmission mounts. Let's open these boxes up. Alright, we've got some cool stickers in here. Oh wow, beautiful job on the packaging. You see the engine mounts hiding down in these little holes here. Pull these out. There we go. Oh wow, these are sick. These are super high quality, really nice pieces. Can't wait to get these installed on the car. Let's get the rest of these boxes apart and then we can talk about these parts in detail. Man, these things are so cool though. All right. Anything else in here? Oh, wow. Package here. All right, look at this cool photo. Definitely gonna hang this up in the garage somewhere. We've got Travis Pastrana and Ken Block. And yeah, this is a really cool shot. And what we got here on the back? Oh, it says here on the front. Subaru Rally Team USA 2007 class photo starring the two-car team of Travis Pastrana and Ken Block. The duo earned first and second overall, respectively, in the Rally America Championship that year. Born from our passion for rally and our racing heritage, VSC Performance is the extension of years of research, prototyping, and real-world race experience. For the first time, we are crafting a line of high-performance aftermarket products for the discerning Subaru enthusiast. This limited product release features the same attention to detail and quality craftsmanship we pour into our championship-winning race cars. Welcome to VSC Performance. This is super cool. Definitely going to hang this up in the garage. That's going to be it for this box. Let's open up the other one. Alright, so this is the transmission mount box. Some more stickers in here. Again, beautiful job on the packaging. You see the transmission mount hiding down inside this box. Wow, this thing is really nice. What a nice piece. Super high quality. You can see the precision and detail that's gone into these parts for sure. Definitely can't wait to get these installed on the race car. Let's see what else we have in here. Plastic package here. Another cool picture. This one is definitely awesome. Alright, got another cool photo here to hang up in the garage. I remember this back in the GRC days. Got Bucky Lasek right out front here, and these are the new V8 chassis rallycross cars and the older generation GR hatch cars in the background. And it says here, Vermont SportsCar and Subaru Rally Team USA entered 4 rallycross cars in the 2015 Global Rallycross Los Angeles round. Drivers Bucky Lasek, Sverre Isaacson, David Higgins, and Travis Pastrana. Such a cool shot. Definitely going to have to hang these both up in the garage here somewhere. Alright, so let's talk about these mounts. Alright, so I got the engine mounts out here on the table on this carbon fiber panel and used one of these new Vermont SportsCar stickers here to add for the look. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, you've already seen my post where I showed off all of the new mounts. Alright, so let's start with the engine mounts. Man, these are super high quality parts. You can see that they are machined billet aluminum. They've done some pocketing on the inside here to reduce the weight and add some rigidity. These are in the anodized blue finish, which looks absolutely incredible. You can also get them in an anodized green or black finish as well. Another cool feature about these engine mounts is you can see where the bushing is here, how this actually swivels back and forth. And again, because these parts come from a motorsports background, that is to aid in gearbox removal, giving you the ability to rock the engine back and forth and get the gearbox out faster. Another cool thing I like about these mounts is they are very similar to the design that's on the WRC cars. They include this bag, and inside this bag are spacers for a FA20 engine. So the cool thing about these mounts is they install on both a EJ as well as an FA20 motor. So these are separate spacers specifically for the FA20. So I asked Vermont SportsCar because I was curious, what is the difference between these engine mounts that they sell to the general public and the engine mounts they're running in their motorsports program? And they told me the engine mounts are almost identical. The main difference is they've got some additional pocketing done to the inside of their mounts to save them a couple extra ounces of weight, and they're also triple the cost due to the extra machine work involved. But at the end of the day, you're getting the exact same engine mounts that they run on their rally and rallycross cars. Sure, they might be a couple ounces heavier, but they're the exact same mounts for the most part, and it doesn't get any cooler than that. All right, let's move on to the gearbox mount. Again, another super high quality part here. Here in the center, you can see we have a machined aluminum solid beam, and again, that's in their anodized blue finish. And then here you have a black powder-coated steel mounting bracket with studs to attach it to the subframe. Now, one thing Vermont SportsCar told me they did when they were designing this mount is they actually moved the hardware inward. Some other aftermarket mounts require you to disassemble the mount before you install it in the car, but Vermont SportsCar has basically eliminated that factor out of the equation, which is going to simplify your installation. Another thing that they include with the mount is this spacer. If you're installing the mount onto a WRX with a 5-speed transmission, you just install this spacer on top of the mount and install it into your car. So another cool thing about these mounts is they all use the same urethane bushing. So that goes for the engine mounts, the gearbox mount, and the pitch mount that they also offer. They use the same bushing. So when it comes time to rebuild these after the bushings get worn out, they're fairly cheap to replace and super easy to install. So I also asked Vermont SportsCar what actually went into the design and testing process of these new mounts. And again, because these are derived from their motorsport program, they already have years of research and development and motorsport use behind them. That's going to include such things as being lightweight and rigid, super easy to work with and rebuild, and making installation and removal of major components on the car extremely fast and very easy. Now, when it comes time to testing, they did several months of testing in a V8 chassis STi test car, over thousands of miles, to make sure that these parts were absolutely perfect before they were ready to sell them to the general public. All right, and just a couple other things I wanted to point out, and I did confirm this with Vermont SportsCar. For some reason, if you look here on the box, it says that these mounts will only fit a 15 221 WRX STi. However, I can confirm they do in fact fit a 2004 221 WRX or STi. Also keep in mind that they do not include a hard copy of the instructions inside the box, but if you go to the VSC website, you can download them from there. I will drop a couple links down below in the description if you're interested in more information on the engine mounts or the gearbox mount, or if you want to purchase a set for your car off their website, you can do that too. I highly recommend it. Stay tuned for a future video where I'll be installing these mounts into the car. I can't wait. And that's going to do it for today's unboxing and review video. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to keep up with the build. If you're new here, watch one of these videos to get caught up to speed, and the rest, you all know what to do. Hit that little like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell right there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.